Hey guys, this is going to be a quick and easy unboxing of the Lightning to USB cable. This can be used for the iPhone 5, iPad mini, and the 4th generation iPad. Anything with the Lightning connector. So I lost my charger and I was forced to run to Best Buy and grab this thing so that my iPhone 5 did not die overnight. Normally I don't like going to Best Buy or the Apple Store to get, generic accessories. This ain't generic, but accessories for the iPhone, because you can find them a lot cheaper on Amazon, and Amazon typically has free shipping for all that stuff. So, with that being said, here's going to be the quick unboxing, fairly easy unboxing for the product. Let me get this open for you real quick. Kind of a pain to open, but alright, there it is. I kind of had to destroy the box there a little hard. But, as you can see, a generic cable. Here's the USB. And there is some paperwork in the box. Your standard, legal, and compliance, and all that. You don't really need directions for this thing because it's pretty self-explanatory. The thing I don't like about the Apple Lightning cable is too short. You know, it's good if you're plugging into your computer, but if I'm wanting it on my desk and then trying to get it from the plug, it's just too short. I wish this was a little longer. I think this is 1 meter. I wish they made stock ones that were 3 meters or something, but that's my only complaint. I'm gonna put a link under this video to the link to Amazon. Last I checked, it was like 16 bucks for this cable, which will save you about $5 out the door from Best Buy or the Apple Store, because at the Apple Store it's going like $19.99 plus tax, so it comes out to about 21 bucks. So if you go to Amazon, the link is below. That is a little bit cheaper.